Hi guys, Pepper Pam here. I'm going to be making Mullein cough syrup today. And if you don't know what Mullein is, let me show you. We have it growing everywhere. It grows crazy out here. But I only try and keep it right here. I've got it covered with a shade screen. It's been so darn hot, and we have smoke from the car fire, and I didn't want it to get ashes or, you know, whatever on here. So this is Mullein. And it gets this beautiful little stalk. The flowers don't stay very long, so when you see a flower, you need to pick it. Like this, see that? And this is what it looks like when it first starts to come up. It's real fuzzy. A lot of people call it rabbit ear. And the old miners used to use the leaves for toilet paper when they're soft, because they're so soft. But I digress. So anyway, it's got this nice stalk, and then the flowers come up off the stalk. So this is what Mullein looks like. We have it coming up everywhere. It's in with our grapes. It's everywhere. So, see that? It's so nice and soft. It's very, very soft. A lot of people call it rabbit ear. But it gets a beautiful stalk. And this plant is like the #1 plant for respiratory problems. Allergies, coughing. So you just pull these flowers off. Grab this. There we go. Hi guys, I'm out picking more Mullein, and I wanted to show you. First of all, I have mine covered. I wanted to show you how to pick the flowers. Now, it's a simple way. You don't want to rip it off. You want to grab and just pull slowly. You want to pull it out of like its little socket. See that? You'll feel it release when you pull it. And you just grab it, the leaves, and just pull. Oops, I didn't do it on that one. See, it's really, you want to make sure you get the bottom stem of that. So let's try on this one here. There we go. You see that? So you pull real slow. Grab the little flowers and you just pull. You don't want to rip it off. You want to pull it out of its little pod. Anyway, this will be the last time I pick them, and I'm going to start letting my syrup set. Adding some more flowers. Once that gets full, then I'm going to let it set for 3 weeks. Okay, so I got some more Mullein this morning. So this is to the top. And I'm going to shake it up a bit. Just so there's no lumps of sugar. See, it's already starting to change down here on the bottom. There we go. There we go. Okay, so now this is just going to sit. You can also set it in the sun, too, to help it along. Okay, so it's been 3 weeks. Look at that. It's just layers of Mullein flour and sugar. So now I'm going to strain it, and I'm going to let this set all day. And what comes out, I just put in a little jar, and that's my cough syrup for the winter. Some people use honey. I like to use sugar because it dissipates faster. So I'm going to let this set. Okay, so it's been here for probably 4 hours, and it's pretty dry. I keep turning it in the strainer, but it looks like it's dry enough. So now I'm going to pour it in a jar. Well, there's a little bit more coming out. It's okay. Okay, syrup is all done, and it smells really good. I can't tell you what it tastes like. It's just got its own different little taste. So what you do at this point, see, all that one jar of the flours and the sugar, that's all it made. It makes, you know, a little amount. So when you get your Mullein flours, make sure, you know, you get enough, and then you layer it with the sugar. So I put the lid on. Make sure you mark the lid and the date. A lot of people keep this in the fridge. Some keep it in their shelf in a cool, dark place. I've found that because of the amount of sugar that it gets hard. So I keep it usually out for probably a month, and then I move it to the fridge. So if you have any questions, shoot me a comment. And Mullein is the #1 for anything respiratory. And the syrup is super, super easy to make, and you know exactly what's in it. Have a cool day. Pepper Pam out.